Hello people. So today we will be checking out 4.5.5 CodeHS phone signal. And okay, so first thing for ion range 10, 51, 10. That will pretty much, it will repeat this, and also it will make, along with this forward I, this code. Every time it goes, 10 will be added on. So, and it would repeat that 5 times. 10 will be added on, so it'll be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And that is why it keeps getting bigger. We have really good signal here, guys. So the pin down makes it so you can see. Forward makes it so you go forward. Left 90 makes it so you go left. Forward I repeats this. Left 90, left. Forward 10 goes forward. Left 90, left. Forward I repeats this once again. Left 90, pin up, and then forward 25. Yes, that is phone signal. And this is how it looks going. Thank you very much.